it's Co from Self Cookie, and I'm back. So today I have a Totalboat unboxing. So I was reached out from Totalboat to try some of their products, and I am very appreciative because my page isn't that big for YouTube or Instagram. It's growing, but I'm still on the smaller side. Where I just really want to say thank you. I'm appreciative of everything that was sent, and I am excited to try it. I love to try different things with epoxy, and it's just such a fun hobby to have. Just make sure you guys are safe when you're using it. I do have a plan on coming out with a things you need to do epoxy or resin, however you may say it, and some starter videos that's coming. I promise you guys. I've been saying it for a while now, but my life's been. But anyway, Totalboat. So they sent me a snapback. I got some swag. Yes. Got a Totalboat snapback. I have a Totalboat stickers. They sent me measuring cups. This is 1 quart liter, and it has the mixing ratio on the back. And that is their information right there. Then I also have a smaller measuring cup, and they sent 5 of these. They sent a silicone spatula so you can kind of smooth things. This is great for wide surfaces and if you're doing countertops or tables and that nature. They sent me mica powders. Ooh, so pretty. So they sent the black diamond mica powders. This color is emerald green. They sent blue green. They sent sapphire ghost blue. They sent black diamond, which is so pretty. It has like little shimmery sparklies on the back of it. And I'm not sure if you're seeing this. And I just want to show this one again. This is sapphire ghost blue. I don't think it's coming up now. Let's see. Maybe. Also diamond gold. And then iridescent blue. So they also sent me epoxy. So they also sent me 2 different types of resins. So I have this tabletop epoxy, and this is for bars and tabletops. It is deep, durable, high gloss finish, easy pour, self-leveling formula, and it's 100% waterproof after curing. And this is 1 quart. And then the second one was created by Just Crow. This is a maker epoxy, and this is in 8 ounces. It has a high gloss finish, and it has an extended working time, which is great if you're working on projects where it takes you a little bit longer to mix and to make. Maybe you have a wider area, you're doing wall art, or you're doing a table, or you're doing countertops. That could be important to you to give you that extra time to work. Also, I was looking on the website, And I noticed that they have claims to being BPA free. To me, that's amazing because a lot of epoxies don't like to touch on the subject of being BPA free or not. And so that's amazing that they do. They just recommend not to use it for the cutting board because if you cut into the cutting board, you have a possibility of chipping it, and then you have loose pieces. So, and then, you know, you'll be eating it orally. So yeah, but other than that, their products look great. Their reviews look great, and I can't wait to try it. I want to try it this weekend, so hopefully I'll have a review. So hopefully this weekend I can be able to try it and let you know my final thoughts. Um, Again, I just want to say thank you, Totalboat, for, you know, reaching out to me and sending me samples. I am very appreciative, and I can't wait to get my hands into it. Again, I have never met a soft cookie that wasn't sweet. Continue to be you, and see you next time. Love you. Bye. Oh, hey, guess what? Look down. That comment box down there is empty. It's kind of lonely. It needs your comments. So go down there and leave some comments for me. So if you want to see something new, if you want to you know, learn something different, or you think I can show you something, or it was something that you had questions about in another video, leave it down below. And please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. All right, love you. Bye.